In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 2D line chart in Excel. We'll walk through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can quickly turn your data into a clean visual chart. A 2D line chart is especially useful when you want to show changes, movement, or trends across categories or over time. To begin, open your Excel workbook. This can be a brand new workbook or an existing file, depending on where you want to build your chart. Once the workbook is open, make sure your data is ready to use. For this example, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through B6. That means you should have a small table with labels in one column and corresponding values in the next. Keeping your data organized in a simple two-column layout makes it much easier for Excel to understand what you want to chart. Next, select the data. Go ahead and highlight the entire table, including both the labels and the values. This step is important because Excel uses the selected range to determine what will appear on the chart. If the full table isn't selected, the chart may not display the information correctly. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click on Insert Line or Area Chart. This opens the chart menu where you can choose the style you want to use. Under the 2D line section, select Line. As soon as you click it, Excel creates a 2D line chart based on the data you selected. You'll see your categories displayed along one axis and the values plotted as points connected by a line. This makes it easy to spot increases, decreases, and overall patterns in the data at a glance. Now take a moment to view the result. Each point on the line represents one value from your selected data, and the line connecting those points helps show how the values change from one category to the next. This is what makes a line chart so effective for visualizing trends in a clear and straightforward way. If your chart doesn't look quite right, the first thing to check is whether the correct data range was selected. In most cases, that's the key to getting the result you expect, and that's it. You've successfully created a 2D line chart in Excel.